Hi everyone, my name is Harit Himanshu and welcome to my course Scala, the Big Picture. I'm a software engineer at a fintech startup based out of San Francisco. Scala is one of the most popular language in enterprises that runs on Java Virtual Machine. It has been successfully deployed to production at companies like Samsung, Verizon, Walmart, Twitter, and many more. Learning Scala opens doors to programming methodologies such as functional programming and doing concurrency the right way. It also encourages you to write clean and testable code while writing less code at the same time. In this course, you are going to cover the key topics in Scala that can help you learn and practice the language as you go. Functional programming concepts and how they relate to the Scala code. Learning about classes and more importantly functions to help you grow on your journey to become a functional programmer. Scala corrections library to get insight on power provided by the language to us as programmers to use. Concurrency to help you gain other and better ways to write asynchronous code which behaves in a predictable manner. By end of this course, you will be able to read and write Scala programs to solve problems that you encounter in your programming requirements. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with at least one programming language. You should be familiar with the concepts such as methods, functions, variables, and arguments. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Scala with Scala the Big Picture course at Pluralsight.